Nigeria in a very sorry state as Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer frowns at court's new decision ahead of Nnamdi Kanu's trial. What could be the new decision anyway? What could be the new plan? I think the last information was on the shifting of Nnamdi Kanu's trial to another venue. What else has popped in? Wow. All right. What I will just say in this very content is that this very last trial of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which is going to determine his release, is really bringing out a lot of information and truth as well. Because if you look at that, you will see that a lot of persons who have not been speaking since Nnamdi Kanu started his trial have just started speaking. People you never expected, people you never believed will speak, are now the ones speaking. It's very strange, more than strange. So, my dear listeners, I want to say this so that you too will understand the area that I am really coming from. Nnamdi Kanu's trial is really becoming tough. But only God knows what will happen on the day of his release. Wow. Let's quickly check the very content and be filled. Lawyer to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, has cried out against the continued denial by the Department of State Services. The counsel to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Ifeanyi Ejiofor, have said that the decision of the court ahead of Nnamdi Kanu's final verdict is becoming too complex and too critical. We have tolerated many decisions of the court's opinion and advice, but this very one, according to Ejiofor, said that the court will listen to us this time. The courts, yes, have rights, just as we too equally have our rights. You cannot be conveniencing yourself and inconveniencing us as well. According to Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, Ejiofor, he said that IPOB is a group, an agitating group. So they should be given their own rights and their own preference. The decision, though, lie on IPOB not appearing at the court premises at the final verdict. According to Justice Binta Nyeko, Nnamdi Kanu and his lawyers and the military are the only persons that should be allowed to sing inside the court or outside the court premises. Any other person seen outside the court or inside the court will be arrested. Ejiofor said that Nnamdi Kanu is a unique leader, a leader of the people. So you cannot deny the people that very opportunity to witness his trial. IPOB agitators are unstoppable. You can say what you want, but they will still do what is in their mind. So saying and requesting that they should not appear at the court is a very different thing that I cannot predict that will not happen. It will happen because I know that IPOB will still want to witness the final verdict of their leader. So I am pleading to the court to grant this very request and allow peace to take charge of that very verdict. See, my dear listeners, the presence of IPOB, I don't think the presence of IPOB is going to cause anything or any issue. I'm telling you, I see. The only thing these people are trying to do is this. They are trying to see how they can, on their own, on their own, commit the atrocity that they already have in mind to commit after the declaration of Nnamdi Kanu's release. Don't forget the very what's it called, prophecy that was given concerning the final verdict of Nnamdi Kanu, that behold, Nnamdi Kanu raising the Biafran flag the moment he was declared win. Then a gunshot coming directly to him, but eventually hits another person. See, the presence of the IPOB, will help do away with all this. Yes, because I know that the moment Nnamdi Kanu is declared win, the next thing is for the IPOB members to shield him. Aside from the security that will be attached to him. Okay, even if the security want to take charge of Nnamdi Kanu in moment he is declared free, at least the IPOB will still be given access to jollificate with their leader. So I don't see how the presence of the IPOB is going to truncate or distract the final verdict or distract the court hearing. Do you understand? To me, I don't see anything. Let's give these guys the opportunity to be at the hearing, and that is what Ejiofor is saying. That IPOB is unstoppable group. You cannot decide for them. You cannot tell them not to. After all, they are not entering inside the court. They are just in the court premises. Allow them. Allow them. You understand? And that's just it. So, my dear listeners in the house, based on this very fact and this very note, I would like to invite you on this very broadcast to air your own opinion, your own advice, and let me know what you really feel concerning the upcoming final verdict of Nnamdi Kanu. Okay, so please, if you are new, don't forget to leave your comments below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.